Ladies, let's just start this video by saying that there's absolutely nothing wrong with being single if you're happy, you're living your best life, and you want to be single. But if you are single and you really don't want to be, and you keep finding yourself in and out of terrible relationships with the wrong men, then this video is for you. My name's Adam Dolce. I'm the CEO of Love Strategies, and we coach thousands of women every single year to get out there, attract the love that they truly deserve with the highest caliber guys. But every once in a while, I get a client where she starts working with us and our strategies don't quite click at first. And when that does happen, I've found a great way to create change for that particular client is to teach what I call anti-love strategies. Rather than teach people what they need to do to actually get the results they're looking for and be successful, I teach them what they need to do to make their life absolutely freaking miserable. Basically, if you keep doing these things over and over and over again, you will continue to get the same results that you've been getting. So based on my experience of having coached over 44,000 women over the past decade, here's 7 proven ways to stay single for the rest of your life. And I've organized this into an acronym, which is called A.C.T. So you kind of get the theme of this video. So starting with the A in the A.C.T acronym, announce that he is the one to all of your friends right after you go on a good first date with the guy. Look, we have a culture here at Love Strategies where our clients celebrate all of their wins and they love to share all of their wins, except when someone goes on a first date and tells everyone that they've met the one. If someone does that on one of our mastermind coaching sessions, everyone jumps in and is like, whoa, let's hold off a little bit before we start using those types of words. Because here's the reality. Anyone can be a good first date. Covert narcissists, players and playboys out there. Married men can be a really good first date. Look, going on a good first date is kind of like going to the gym for the first time in the past 10 years. It's a really good first step forward and it is exciting, but it doesn't actually mean all that much yet. Keep doing it and then see where it goes. The C in Act.Fast is crown him for superficial reasons. Look at him as if he's a king with his crown, or as others might say, put him on a pedestal just because he's really handsome and successful. If you keep doing this over and over and over again, you're going to keep investing all of your heart and all of your energy into the wrong men. Because here at Love Strategies, yes, do I want you to be with a handsome, successful man? Of course I do. But what's most important for you is that I want you to be with a high character man, a man who's respectful, who cares about you, who's investing all of his energy in you. If he's doing that, then we can start giving him that crown. The T in Act.Fast is telepathic expectations. This is you expecting that men can read your mind. If you want to stay single forever, don't ever talk about how you're feeling. Keep it really bottled up and just let it just build up until one day you just open up with a fit of rage. Or even better, don't talk about it and then just start pulling away and giving him subtle signs that you're annoyed at him, but don't actually tell him what's wrong. This will guarantee you staying single. Because I hate to tell you, until we have AI implanted into our brains and we really can speak with telepathy, I'm sorry to tell you, you have to actually use those lips, use that mouth, tell him what's really going on so that you can actually make some progress. Now the F for Act.Fast is for you to fall for his potential. If you want to stay single for the rest of your life, keep thinking to yourself what this man could be if you kept putting in more effort. Keep trying to change him. Keep buying him those self-help books that he doesn't read. That's definitely going to work. Date the fantasy version of him, not the man standing in front of you. This will successfully keep you single because I hate to tell you, no one is going to change for you. They're only going to change if they want to change. The A is for accept 1 green flag for every 10 red flags. Have you ever had a girlfriend who was dating a new guy and this guy was clearly just kind of an asshole? He was rude to everyone, he wasn't on her level, and he clearly wasn't interested in a relationship. But then she justifies continuing to see him because of 1 green flag she saw. She'll be like, oh, he really likes puppies, and guys who like puppies are really good guys. If you want to have a miserable existence of a love life over the next 10 years, keep searching for those green flags, even though you have to search through just a sea of red flags in order to find that one little green flag that proves that that guy is going to be great for you. The S is for skip all the strategies. Just follow all the dating advice out there that tells you to just follow your heart. Just go with every little emotional impulse that you're feeling in the moment. If you want to stay single forever, don't have a strategy. because that's going to set you up with a real relationship that really works. And the final T in the ACT FAST acronym is to tie yourself down before you've had the talk. Go ahead, assume that the relationship is committed even though you've never actually talked about it. He's definitely not dating any other women. Keep living in fear about talking about commitment, talking about relationships. Keep just holding that back and just hoping that things work. That will definitely keep you single. Now, I had a little bit of fun with this video today, but I know that there are some women out there that just needed to hear this today and hear it from a different angle. Remember, you are not a maybe. You are worthy of a heck yes in a relationship. You are worthy of being with a guy who will move mountains to be with you, who will protect you not only physically but emotionally, who will truly commit his heart to you and only you. Don't forget that, and please, ladies, just do the opposite of everything I talked about in this video. And if you want a step-by-step strategy of what you can actually do today to attract that man that you truly deserve, head on over to thelovesteps.com. I'm going to walk you through what I call the 7 little love steps that set you up for a long-term, healthy, committed relationship so that you don't have to watch videos like this anymore. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend that you think needs to hear this, and let me know in the comments right there below if you've ever done anything that I talked about in this video. Thank you so much. I'll speak to you next week. Bye-bye.